love makeup because I think makeup has always been my life. Dari umur 16 tahun, aku tuh udah makeupin orang. Dan dari kecil nggak tahu kenapa aku tuh selalu amazed with colors. Red, white, pink, blue, green, any colors. Dan akhirnya pada umur 15 tahun, aku diperkenalkan dengan makeup and it's all colors. Jadi ya udah, itu adalah turning point dimana, okay, this is my life. Well, my dream tuh starts when I was 5 years old. Aku masih inget banget, I remember I wish I can go backstage to see my dream star or celeb crush. And when I work in Hollywood, the dreams come true. Aku bisa make upin selebriti seperti Olivia Culpo, Elizabeth Olsen, Olivia Munn, a lot of others. And I'm so blessed and lucky about it. Well, sekitar tahun 2009, aku ke LA untuk kuliah. Di sana, I started doing makeup for fun, for friends doang. I didn't even get paid to do it. Tapi ya karena it's my passion gitu loh. And I realized that probably I can make this into my job as a professional makeup artist. I started building my portfolio. Jadi aku kirim kurang lebih 100 email setiap harinya. I remember setiap hari aku research orang-orang. Masih belum ada Instagram ya, jadi zamannya masih website. Jadi di Google aku ngeliat-ngeliat websitenya orang, lihat-lihat, terus cari emailnya mereka, terus aku email satu persatu. And I remembered aku punya target buat diri aku sendiri bahwa satu hari harus kirim 100 email. Terus dari 100 nggak ada satu pun yang dibales sih gitu kayaknya. Mikirnya dulu zamannya masih kayak gitu ya. Tapi setiap hari consistently aku kirim-kirim email, follow up, dan akhirnya dari 100 email gitu akhirnya ada satu yang nyantol. Dan akhirnya proses pembikinan portfolio pun berjalan. Glam makeup, editorial makeup, terus yang fun makeup. Proses berkarir di Hollywood itu taught me that it's not about what you know, but also about who you know. By connections yang kalian build, hard work, and persistency menurut aku. I'm lucky that I got connected with those people yang bisa bikin aku Archangela Chelsea seperti sekarang. Well, makeup becomes my job to begin with, and I love that about it. My passion in makeup bikin aku bisa menghasilkan karya-karya yang berbeda setiap harinya dan bisa bikin aku explore myself. So, it doesn't affect my life, it has become my life. It is me. Well, of course I want to grow bigger with my passion in makeup. Semoga aku juga bisa berkesempatan berkarya with coolest people dan celebrities dan tetap create makeup look yang kreatif dan exciting. But I also wanted to work with a brand yang bisa challenge the way people define makeup. In my first week after I came back from LA, aku tuh inget banget aku tuh ketemu dengan Krisanti, yaitu the founder of Sociolla. Dan aku diintroduce dengan Sociolla. Dan pertama kali ngeliat e-commerce yang semuanya rapi, bagus, cantik, terus pink semua. I know that inside my heart, I know that this is gonna be big. Sociolla itu has changed the way we think about beauty, the way we buy beauty products. Kayak dengan Sociolla itu beauty kayaknya lebih approachable gitu. Sekarang sudah banyak banget orang yang ngerasa, yes, you can wear makeup every single day. Anyone can explore anything with Sociolla, from makeup to skincare. Dan beneran ngerasain how beauty can empower people to discover their authentic self. And so of course, I've always wanted to be part of this beautiful change. And becoming the makeup director with Sociolla allowed me to do just that. Excited banget sih, karena I can share my experience on how makeup has become my hero thing, one of the most authentic part of myself. For all beauty enthusiasts out there, stay humble, keep on exploring, and discover your own authentic self. I am Archangela Chelsea, makeup director Sociolla.